Maglinis muna ako, guys. I'm not yet done cleaning. What is the time in the Philippines now? The time is at 10:21 in the morning here. Which language do you speak? Hi, I'll speak a little bit the English, and I speak, of course, our dialect Bisaya and Tagalog, and a little bit of English, of course, to communicate you guys, because English is the common language which can everybody in the whole world can communicate. Hi, I'm just trying hard my English. Bahala kayo dyan, mag-adjust. Have you been here in the Philippines before, Mr. Prasad? I have few Indian friends here. Actually, I am living with them like 6 months before. They are living in Quezon City because they are my auntie's friends. They have their business here. Like for example, you how to explain. For example, I'm gonna borrow your money, 1,000 pesos, so I have to return it like 1,200. There's an interest, you know, in 1 month. That is what we call 5-6 here. For example, in 1 month, I have to borrow you 500 pesos. So in 1 month, I have to pay you 100. So your 500 have an interest of 100 pesos in 1 month. So that's it. That's their business here. Raji Kumar, or Tatay Raji Kumar, my friend here. He's an Indian. He's a very good person. Yeah, I understand. It's also business giving money to people. I know. Yeah. And that's nice because you can help the people in need, and of course you you get interest to your money as long as the people is a good payer. I don't know, but hi, it's very terrible when sometimes because some people did not pay their credit. They're gonna run away with it, so it's so bad. But if those people are good, then no problem. But some people are not good. They can change documents and asking more money. Yes, true. But some people, they borrow money for their business also. So yeah, they can pay. There's a lot of people that it's a good payer. Like my aunt, sometimes she borrowed 200,000 pesos or 100,000 pesos for the business, and of course she gonna pay it like every day, and it depends. You pay it in 2 months or 1 month, something like that. Sa Makati yung ulo ko, I have lice. I have koto.